All right, so we're out here at Palm Beach International Raceway. Randy came back down just to bring the SVJ and give it a try at the dragster. We're here with the McLaren 720S. We got the Huracan, and I think there's like 8 NSXs coming, and I think a GT2 RS. But first pass we want to do is see if we can break the record for the world's quickest Lamborghini down the quarter mile. Currently, or was held by me, 10:43. Jimmy over here broke it. Running a 10:41.
That's right.
So, but I was on original tires.
Ah,
so
come on.
Okay, never mind. Fine.
Yeah,
You got the record.
Let's argue that.
So the idea is we ran on a non-prep surface, you and I, two people in the car, 1080 at 133 miles an hour.
Yep.
So
0 to 60 was 2.9.
2.9. So now we got better weather. We got one person in the car, and
we're letting it cool off.
We're letting it cool off. We took the hatch off the back here because it's like my old Super Trofeo Stradale. We can just take the hatch off and let it cool. So we're letting it cool a little bit. But we're trying to guess what it's going to run the quarter mile. My guess is going to be 10:47 at 135.
Wow.
Okay.
All right. So my guess is 10.6, and the reason I say it is the tires at 136.
I'm gonna say
you said 139 before. You're backtracking.
I'm backtracking a little bit because I'm thinking the tires, but maybe. All right, I'll go.
Tires don't affect the trap speed though.
130
spin.
Yeah, the spin.
The spin will give it more mile an hour.
Yeah,
That's true. Yeah. So, all right, I'll keep it. I'll keep it.
All right.
I'll go with it.
I'm gonna go with 10.5 at 137.
What
137?
137.
When what do we want? We want
1040.
We want 10.
We want a 1039. Honestly, I mean, I'm really hoping we go 1039. But if we're gonna bet, I'm trying.
I mean, granted, the DA that night was so much better than what it is right now.
Trap speed at that would be what, 134?
Yeah, 135.
135.
Yeah. But listen, on a non-prep surface, the 133, 1800 DA, full tank of gas, 2 people in the car. That's 3 mile an hour plus some weather. That's 4 mile an hour. That could get us to 136.
136.
And if this thing dead hooks, we're good. It's going to go 1039.
I hope it hooks. I just hope
it's all about the prep. Now they're prepping it. We're hoping we can get one of the first ones down the track.
No offense, Pirelli, but come on.
We can hook on these tires. I mean, it can happen.
It's possible.
You know?
It's possible.
How many miles in the car now?
Just shy of 1,000.
Yeah. So tires aren't that worn. I think we're good. We got the tire pressures adjusted. And then after we get the first pass going for the record, I got the drag in the car, I got the V-Box in the car, I got a dash cam in the car, I might even hook up the exhaust mic, and then we're going to go into some races, because I think it's going to be super close between
But all that weight's going to slow the car down.
No. Yeah, I mean, there's no aero on the outside. The only thing we're having on the outside is maybe an exhaust mic, but I actually might leave that off.
Do you have an actually ALA system for the mic?
Yeah,
we need to put it right underneath the ALA system.
Right.
So then we'll line up and we'll race the Huracan, and I mean, we said we were going to do the 720 when you came by the house.
Yeah, because I want to do it just for
you also
fun.
have a 720S?
I do.
So Randy's got a 720S
and
with
be down
exhaust
here
and
in the end of the month.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to race that thing.
I'm ready.
That's gonna be awesome.
That should be good.
So, and then he's also taking the SVJ to the Johnny Bomber NASA proving grounds
for Pulse Rally.
Pulse Rally at
Thanks
the end
to
of the
Craig Pulse for the.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yep. I might go up there as well.
Yeah.
And he's going to run this thing down the 2.7 mile. Hopefully top it out.
I want to do
over 200.
I want 222 to 225.
225
That's
miles an hour. Are
insane.
we going to bet on that too? I think we should bet on that.
Ooh, that should be a good bet.
Yeah.
225.
I'm not guessing that.
That's a hard one to guess. That's a really hard one
I'm guessing
220-ish.
216.
No, it's oh come on. 217 is factory.
All right, I'm gonna split the difference.
You need a long way to
I'm gonna
do it.
split the difference. I'm gonna do
2.7
219.
miles.
219.
That is a long way.
219.
I'm just, you know,
I'm gonna go.
Ford GT only did 211. I don't want to go too high.
Well, that's because it's a Ford GT.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, here we go.
It's yellow.
You
That's
might
the
be-
problem. It's yellow. It's too.
You might be one of the only guys who says he doesn't like the design of the Ford GT.
I like the
Forget
Ford
the motor.
GT. I like the Ford GT.
All right,
I do
all right.
like the design of it, but it's yellow.
The old one is better.
Yellow's
The
good.
old one is better. The old
The
one
old
is
one's
better.
way
The
better.
old one.
The
Well, I got
old one's way
both, so
better.
forget about it.
I know.
All right, so here we go. We're getting ready to go. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm hoping for that 1039. That'll be really awesome to do, and then we'll line up some races and get going. Let's do it.
What we really want is to bring the turbo down next time too. The Turbo S.
Oh, he's got a Turbo S by ES Motors. I'm really not a fan of those cars right now.
Yeah, he got beat a
Yeah.
couple of times by
I'm
those.
gonna cut that out. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Where's fucking reverse? I don't know, that thing launched pretty rough.
You run it out?
Yeah.
They said you pulled the front wheel off the ground when you left.
1065, 129? Fuck. All right. Really?
Fucking wheelie off the line. I got it on video. A wheelie off the fucking.
Come on!
No, bro.
All right, let me get one more run, then we'll look at it.
Dude,
That-
seriously.
it spun and bugged like... Holy shit! That's amazing. All right, try one more. It's really rough. Threw my glasses off. A little worse 60-footer, but it didn't hesitate this time. Woo! Wow. They have it on video lifting the front wheel. 1060. Damn. A little better. But yeah, they have it on video. I can't believe this car lifted the front wheel. We got it, we got it. Here we go.
There it is. There it is. That was a good.
Yes! 60-footer, 1.64. That's gonna be the best time of the day. I'm guessing it's a 1052. Woo! Wow. Much better launch. I think we might actually hit fuel cut on that first run. That was solid. Felt really, really good. That should be better.
Little.
Sweet. Awesome. best time of day. I'm guessing it's a 10:52.
Now you're talking.
What are we doing here, Randy?
First official SVJ.
Let's do it. Let's heat up those tires. Randy the Savage! He almost hit you.
He almost hit me.
You should have been staying back.
I was staying by.
You alright, Jimmy?
I'm fine.
You
I'm
piss your
fine.
pants? What's going on?
Oh, I
here?
just shit my pants. Oh, that was sick.
Look at all that smoke.
That was sick.